Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch. Perhaps you, like me, were tragically born without the musician gene. If that was the case, you're looking to create some music for your game, what should you do? Well, the first answer is probably hire a musician, but if you don't want to go that route, another option is today's subject. I'm going to call this one AIbstract. Basically, it's the word abstract with I put in there, AI, artificial intelligence. You get it. It's actually kind of a clever name. I got to give them credit, but it is a pain in the butt to say. So AIbstract, I'll go with that from now on. This is basically, they're using the moniker artificial intelligence, but it's more like just traditional good old-fashioned algorithmic development. So it is using machine logic to create music, essentially. So the description down here, they're using musical intelligence. So it is a software solution using artificial intelligence technologies to provide the services of a virtual composer and performer. Whether you are an individual or professional, it allows you to generate and stream personalized, original, and royalty-free music. That part is key. Royalty-free, because a lot of these things in the past, you don't really own the rights to them, to generated stuff, with no prerequisites in terms of musical skill. So AIbstract integrates many complementary features, allowing it to meet a variety of musical needs and use cases. It's very simple to work with. I'll show you exactly how you create a song in just a second. The key thing here is the songs generated with the help of AIbstract belong entirely to the user. So in accordance with the laws and its values, AIbstract does not claim any IP on the works resulting from its use, whatever the part taken by the solution in the creative process. You are completely free to use this music, whether it is to share it, distribute it publicly, to register near a copyright management service, even to market it. So you own the results here. So that's kind of neat in that regard. Also, this doesn't seem to be using like a lot of the things that, you know, there's a backlash against AI for. Things like sampling other people's work, you know, basically creative copy and paste, which we could call some of these services. Nope, this seems to be entirely generative and you own the end result. So it's aimed at music lovers, organizations, musicians, and content creators, and you get an idea of all the various different options that are available down here. And then we get into the pricing. We're going to be looking at the free tier right here. So this guy right here allows you to generate 3 songs a day, a total of 15 songs. Now, I gotta admit, their pricing makes no sense. None. Zero. Nada. This entire free tier, not free tier, the amateur tier is just stupidly priced in my humble opinion. So you're looking here free, you can create a bunch of songs here, you can do an unlimited number of generations, up to 300 songs there, and you can get 300 more songs for €2 a month, and you get 600 songs and so on. But what you're going to notice down here, none of these are for professional use, and the free tier doesn't allow you to actually download your songs, and they're only in SD quality. But why this makes no sense, because this pricing is reasonable-ish. We'll click on the I Am a Professional tier here, and look here, you get 600 songs for in HD format that you can download the results. So the composition files will be €333, including VAT, and the price is $35 a month. But the musician tier, this is the key one right here, as you're looking €10 a month. I don't get their pricing. I really don't understand their pricing at all, because this is by far and away the best tier. And the musician tier gives you everything that you would get over here, just including the ability to actually, you know, use it professionally. So I don't get their pricing scheme. But realistically, you can look at it as you can either use it free, like so, which, by the way, the free tier does allow you to use it professionally, but doesn't give you the ability to download it. So I don't know how the heck that would work. But at the musician tier here, you can create up to 600 songs here and download them professionally. So this one, I don't get it. This one, I don't get it. I don't know why you would buy at those tiers, but hey, that's it. This is the primary tier. Pricing makes no bloody sense. So enough talking about the basics. Let's go take a look at how it works. So I'm on the free, doesn't make any sense tier, and you can generate 3 songs a day, and I've actually generated 2 of them already, so we're going to generate just 1 song today, but I'm going to show you 2 of the songs that were generated, and I saved out the results here, so this is just the template over here. I used Energique, Previsible, Hip Hop, and Baroque as the inputs for the song, and the 2 that it generated are this one and this one. So we got and a variation. So you can see how you're getting a very different format out here. There's also some usability things I find annoying. It automatically can generate you multiple versions from the same input, which is how I ended up with these two versions with the exact same name here. It should actually name each iteration something different. And at the same time, there's no actual ability to actually rename it. I don't understand this. We could do playlists, we could play likes and so on, but I cannot rename a song, which is silly. So here you can see, again, control over it. You can create playlists of your particular songs. You can say you like something. You've got bulk control over them over here. And if you're on the professional versions of it, you can download your resulting music. So when you do sign up for this, again, make sure that you say you're a professional and not just for fun. Otherwise, it's basically here just for something to go ahead and listen to and play with. So let's go ahead and create a song. Now, this part is super simple. Basically, come on in here, name your creation. So my creation, like so. If you have saved template, you can load the template in. Basically, it's just going to set all the configurations you're about to do anyways. Then come in here and you select some keywords. So basically, pick how you want your song to sound. So let's say I want to create a pop, energetic, mysterious. Okay. And then come down here, you do advanced inputs like so. And then you can pick some instruments basically for the melody, the harmony, and the drums. So on melody, I will do lead guitar, like so. On harmony, I will do synth plucking, sure. And then on drums, I will do acoustic drums, and go. And really, that's kind of the extent of it. Now, I've got a couple of different options. I can actually just go ahead and generate the song. So you see here, in the free tier, you get 3 a day. Or what you could do here is come down to continuous, and it'll basically use these inputs and make you song after song after song until you've used yours up. Or if you're just sitting around and want to just listen to some music, you could set this on music play mode and have it just generate you completely unique compositions over and over and over again. So let's go ahead and see what this particular generation sounds like, and go. So it takes a little bit of time. It'll go down here. So my creation is being created. Now, I do wish there was more control here. I wish I could say at the very least how long I want my song to be. And then otherwise, your song creation process is going to basically be a matter of setting those configurations and then throwing it at the wall until you get one that you like. And you can start with a song, and basically if it fails for you, just go to the next mode, next mode, next mode, next mode until you get something you like. Doesn't work really that well when you're limited to 3 songs a day, mind you. And you're getting an idea for about how long it takes to generate a song. So I think we've been going, maybe 15, 20 seconds so far. A little bit slower this time than last time, but okay, it is now done. So I'm surprised it doesn't immediately play, which is strange. So go here. Honestly, not my favorite there. So let's do a different creation. I'll use completely different keywords this time. So let's do a cheerful, unpredictable, melancholic song. And the inputs here, we will do instruments for melody. We will do grand piano. For harmony, we will do pad. And then for drums, we will do a drum machine. All right, so different results there. General inputs different. Okay, now we'll generate a song. Again, we've got our second song being used up here, and go. Now, I'm not going to make you wait this time, so you got an idea how long it takes, so I'll be right back. Ooh, that was a Microsoft progress bar if I ever saw one. All right, and that generated, took about the same amount of time. It does seem like all their songs are in the 1:15 to 2 minute length so far from what I've generated, and you get an idea of what you get out of it. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is AI Abstract. It's available at AIbstract.fr. Yes, it is a French service, and by the way, the EOLA is in French as well, one of those things to be aware of. It's an interesting project. You may not like the music it generates. If that's the case, it is no use to you, but if you're looking for algorithmic music generation, it could be a good one to check out. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.